sure there is no risk here. The Somali Community Access Network told me what it's doing to keep children and the entire community safe.
We watch for lights in the windows at night.
These Somali American children spend their time after school in a program called Becoming American Somali Students at Focus Learning Academy in North Columbus. It's just one of many programs the group Somali Can supports to keep young people out of trouble.
The Somali youth need structure in their lives so that they can avoid being victims of crime or being criminals themselves. And crime includes radicalization and, recruiting children and youth to fight in other countries. That is part of one of the things that we want to avoid.
Kirsi has spoken with Mayor Coleman about helping Somali youth, and the mayor supports the work Somali Can is doing, like starting SomaliTips.com, so Somalis can anonymously report crimes nationwide.
And that's a good thing. Yeah, that's good. And that's what we want to see. We're setting the example of what we're very proud of in this country.
The mayor says he appreciates that cultures within the city come together to help young people avoid radicalization.
I think it's an awesome thing to keep them out of trouble and keep them focused on other things, within their life and their family and community. I think it's a great, awesome thing.
Kirsi says young people need role models, so he's working on several events like a summer youth program and a youth summit, all to motivate young people to be positive and productive. Somali Can says there hasn't been an outbreak of Somali against Somali murders here like there has been in Minneapolis. He says his organization is working with police and school districts to make sure it stays that way and prevent any terrorist recruits at the same time.
All right, thank you very much, Scotty. It's called the Grand Canyon State, but the list of conventions and events that are shutting Arizona may soon fill the Grand Canyon, and now Columbus City workers